I'm so glad you're here. If you're just joining us, Angel and I are bringing you an entire hour of Quacker Factory. We're saving you money. We're bringing you gorgeous items like this. I think this is one of the prettiest items we have because it's elegant, it's feminine, it's flattering, and it's 100% cotton, which you ask for and we are delivering. It's called Cardi Party, which is what we're having right now. Cardi Party, long sleeve cardigan, customer top rated, $66 QVC price, 3 easy payments of $22 today. Here is your orchid choice.
So you're saying the pretty pinks, the yellows, the greens, and the blues.
And look at the orchid color sparkle buttons.
Yes.
Isn't that pretty? Here is your French blue. So
pretty much the same.
Pretty much the same, but
Yeah.
they really kind of come to life with whatever base color that is.
Yes.
That's, it looks like this hand painted. It's so pretty. Here is light navy. This is what I saw you wearing.
And this is new this year.
New this year, and again, each one, the buttons are a little different. That's that beautiful blue. And then finally, this is your black choice. Machine wash, dry flat, extra, extra small through 3X. This is like that garden party that you have put on your body.
100%.
Yeah.
You know, so you've been loving our prints.
Yes.
You've seen our embroidery. You've seen our dream jeans. So our team was like, okay, what can we do to add another layer to the cake that is Quacker Factory?
Yes.
And so we've been very popular. Our prints have been very popular, you know, hence the dress that I'm wearing.
Yeah.
So this one is just lovely. You love 100% cotton, long sleeves. Over the years, you know, I read all of your comments on our social media, and one of the things that I remember reading so long ago was, Angel, I need items that are appropriate for the office.
Yeah.
And we are going back to the office, and we are going out, we're doing more things again, you know? So this is beautiful, whether it's to the office, whether it's to worship, whether it's over that tank dress that, you know, you don't wear because you don't want to show your arms, or whether it's with a beautiful pair of capris for Easter. Look at those flowers just draping down the sleeves, around the back. And if you're not a fan of sparkle, the only sparkle is that stone in the center of the snaps. And it changes depending upon which color cardigan that you choose.
It's like built-in jewelry.
Yeah.
It really is like you are just kind of like wrapped in that garland of gorgeous flowers. So there's fewer than 100 to go around in that orchid color. So if you are falling in love with orchid, do not delay. Call us, tap the app, visit us on QVC.com right now. This is your French blue choice. I think that would look so gorgeous with any kind of denim. I'm talking about anything we have coming up with our big deal. Look at that combination. If you're looking for something to wear on Easter Sunday, this is what you're going to wear. And then we have our navy choice, and then Angel's holding your black choice. This is A636687, extra, extra small through 3X. And again, 100% cotton makes it so easy to wear and comfortable as well.
Absolutely. It just glides on the body. You don't even have to think about it. You know, this is no muss, no fuss dressing.
Like that.
Because it's beautiful. It makes a statement, but, you know, it's still elegant.
Yeah. It's really elegant. It's feminine. It's flattering. So people are picking up more than one color. We're looking at beautiful Adrienne in that light navy choice. She's wearing size large. That perfect length is 26.5 to 30 3/4, depending on where you fall on that size chart. And again, customer top rated. I love that it snaps.
Me too. Again, going back to the jacket that we had on at the top of the show, is that it's just easier if you have dexterity issues, if you know, have fake nails. I mean, I see girls these days with nails that are like 6 inches long. I don't know how they do anything either.
I know.
You know, I got something stuck in my eye tonight while I was getting ready, and I couldn't imagine.
I know.
Digging in my eye with those. But so it's nice to have those snaps because it makes it easier.
It's so easy. Easy on, easy off, great color choices. And again, that built-in versatility that you're going to wear this with your dream jeans. You're going to wear this over maybe a longer dress. You're going to wear it from everywhere from work to worship. Pop it on with like a little fancy ponte, like a trouser moment.
Absolutely.
You look elevated, dressed, ready to go no matter where life might take you.
A white colored blouse and a pencil skirt.
Oh my gosh,
a
that's
little sling back. I mean, this is office attire. And here's the thing. You're sitting at your desk and they only see from here up. and you get that tabletop dressing, and you get the, wow, you look really good today.
You're like, I'm secretly wearing sweatpants.
Yes.
Isn't that nice?
Thank you.
But that's the thing, when you have a great cardigan like this, it just functions as that perfect like topper moment that allows you to get dressed so quickly and easily. Great to take care of as well, because with this we do recommend that you machine wash, dry flat. The colors are so vibrant, and look at the way, again, you're just like kind of like dripping in those gorgeous flowers.
Yes. Absolutely. And you know, we search high and low, we sometimes do our own prints, you know, like, and so this is just something that's so beautiful, adding all of those different colors. And I love it because, like, maybe yellow wouldn't be a choice for you to wear. Right. Just, you know, for whatever reason, you're like, oh, I don't want to wear yellow. You can wear it in this because it looks great. It's blended in with so many other beautiful colors. And, you know, we have the big deal in the pant that all of the colors will match back to this.
Okay, so speaking of that big deal, look at Adrienne. I love that color combination. She's wearing the light navy with that shadow pink pant that's coming up in just a little bit. She is springy, she is gorgeous, and the secret is she's so comfortable as well. $66 is that QVC price. 3 easy payments of $22. Customer top rated, beautiful colors to choose from. That's light navy that you just saw on Adrienne.
Brand new this year.
Brand new this year, already super popular. This is that French blue choice. Then we have our orchid, which is our most limited option. And then finally, our black choice. Customer top rated, that means a lot. Gorgeous, sparkly snaps. It's A636687. Lots of ways to bring it home. Tap our app, visit us on QVC.com, or you can always give us a call. All right. Do you know what time